So I built this flying wing to test out ArduPilot, and it's running on a Maytech F405 standard board. And then I've got the Maytech GPS module, GPS and compass module there. Got the X8R FreeSky receiver. It's just the regular type, it's not the long range kind. That's a TBS Unify Pro 5-volt version, just a little mini quad motor and ESC. And then I've got my GoPro, FPV camera. So we're going to do a Waypoint mission. So here's my ground station setup. I've got my radio transmitter. It's just a Taranis X9D Plus. And I've got the monitor here. It's powered off of this 3 amp hour 3-cell battery. And then I've got my goggles with the Furious FPV Trudy diversity module. I've got a VAS crosshair antenna for long range, and then just a regular Fat Shark antenna there. And that's pretty much it. I did a test earlier today and I just flew straight that way, and I was able to go 2 miles before it cut out the video and the RC link. So we're going to do a Waypoint mission now. We're going to fly around that neighborhood. We're going to go that way, along that road, and then behind it, and then circle around and come back. Alright, so it's in return to home mode now. Now we're going to put it in mission mode. Alright, so it's going towards the end of the road now. It's a good signal. Going about 40 miles per hour over the ground. Get our radio out so we can listen to the air traffic. Although we're far enough away from the airport. Alright, it just hit the 4th waypoint. Got 48% on the FPV video feed. Now it should turn left over these apartments. There it goes. Now it's heading to the back side of the neighborhood. Fighting an 11 mile per hour headwind now, so it's slowed down to 24 miles per hour over the ground. I gotta keep turning this to aim the crosshair antenna towards it. So it's on the back side of the neighborhood now, and it's about to turn left, and you'll be able to see the park where I'm at. So right over there to the left you can see the field where I'm currently at. Now it's going to go around the neighborhood and go over the school, and then it's going to come back over here. Can't really see it, but it just circled over the school. Now it's going to be coming back. Gonna turn this around because it's behind us now. There it is. out of it. Right there it is. So now it's going to go down to the end of the field, circle around and come back. I programmed it to land, but it's supposed to land coming towards us, but it's actually going to be going with the wind, so I don't know how well that's going to work. But we'll let it go. If it gets out of control, I'll take over. Alright, it's coming back over the park now. There it is, coming in for autonomous landing. Nice. So it landed itself, and that whole mission was like 10 minutes because it took a couple minutes for the GPS to lock on. And it's down to 14.7 volts, so that's pretty good. So let's go take a look at it. So here it is. That was a pretty smooth landing. This is the DVR for the run cam. Turn that off. So that was a successful mission. This was kind of just a test bed for this ArduPilot. I figured it would get destroyed, so I wanted to use a plane that was simple to fix and not too expensive to build. So I think I'm gonna build a new plane that's a little more stable, because in manual mode this plane's kind of weird because it's a flying wing. So I'm thinking about like a plane with the motor in the back still, but just like a conventional plane with a tail. So that'll probably be the next project.